Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about honey in skincare. When I last did my tea tree oil in skincare, I think a lot of people liked that. So I wanted to do one with honey. Honey has been something that I have really liked both to ingest and also to use as skincare. So honey has a lot of enzymes and good bacteria, especially in raw honey, that helps balance your skin's kind of normal microbiota. So it helps your skin fight diseases or fight bacteria better. It has anti-inflammatory effects and also antioxidants. So honey is a great ingredient in skincare, and I think a lot of brands are coming out with honey products. So let's jump into the products that I will be talking about today. So the first product is kind of one that a lot of people have been talking about. This is the Farmacy Honey Potion Renewing Oxidant Hydrating Mask. So the first thing I noticed that I really liked about this packaging is that the lid itself is magnetic. So your spatula is also magnetic and it just sticks onto the lid. And I found this just like the greatest invention ever because I always lose my spatulas or I don't know where to put my spatulas. And this is like the great solution for this. And so this product is free of a lot of toxic substances, so it's clean at Sephora. So when I first opened this, it looked very, very thick and it's almost like a waxy consistency, and it like legit doesn't go anywhere. And even when you scoop it out, it's very, very, very waxy and gooey. So I was a little kind of afraid of using it, or just kind of thinking about what it will be like when I put it on my face. But anyways, the first time I tried this, I actually put a toner on after I washed my face and then put this on, and my first impression was, is my face gonna burn off? Because it does warm up a great deal. So I expected it to warm up a little bit, but not to the extent that it did. It just kind of heated up really fast on my face and just right to the point where I could bear it, but it turns into this very creamy consistency, which I was pleasantly surprised about. And I just left it on for 10-15 minutes and then washed it off. It washed out so easily. I think a lot of people would be worried when they first get this product and like put it on their hands, like how am I supposed to take this waxy thing off of me? But it actually just kind of melts off and cleans off perfectly. And so I actually quite enjoy this product. I don't use it a lot. I like to use it in the morning before I put on my makeup, because it just helps kind of plump up your skin, kind of calms it down and kind of hydrates it and prepares it for the makeup that you put on after. I don't really see the effects that much at night because after I wash this off, I put on other kind of like moisturizers and other treatments. So I don't really see a huge difference with the brightening effect or kind of the anti-inflammatory effect. I do notice that if there is moisture near your mask when it's on your face, it does burn a lot more. So it did kind of get a lot hotter around my lip area because while I'm breathing, you know, moisture gets on my upper lip. So I put a little bit less up there because my upper lip does get a little sensitive with this one. In general, I quite enjoy this, and I think it's a really nice kind of basic moisturizing face mask to use in the morning that you wash off so you don't have to worry about it leaving some residue when you put other stuff on. Alright, the next product is literally the lifesaver for me. So about a month or two ago, I started getting breakouts on like the middle of my cheeks, and it would not go away. Like I would get breakouts on the left side and then it would heal and then it would turn into a breakout on the right side, and it just alternated, and it was so frustrating. And I was trying so many different products, like changing up my routine, thinking about what I've been doing differently that would cause this, and I just couldn't figure out what it was. And then my mom suggested that I try this. This is the Elensilia CPP 80% Propolis extract refreshing cream with Resistem. I think it's a Korean brand. I haven't seen this around a lot, but it was a gift to my mom by my cousin-in-law. When I first opened it, I was like, wow, gold flakes. It's kind of like a gel consistency. So this is quite viscous. As you can see, it's like rolling around inside the tub. It's kind of like a peculiar texture. It's kind of like honey in a way. It does feel pretty thick on your face, even though it says it's a cream. When I scoop it out, it's more like a gel. And then when you put it on your face, it just kind of stays on top. So I use this as a sleeping mask more so than a cream. I would never put makeup on top after putting this cream on because it just feels like it wouldn't work. This thing is miraculous because it just solved all my acne, all my breakouts, all my pimples. It just gone like overnight. I really like this. I think it's not that expensive either, which is pretty surprising for how amazing this is. I think I will definitely go purchase my own jar. It's just amazing. Like I can't say better things about this. I don't know what in this is helping my skin so much. This has been a lifesaver, and every time my skin feels a little bit like it's gonna break out or I am having some breakouts, I will use this. So the next product is this Bombee Honey Mask by Papa Recipe. I'm sure a lot of you guys who use kind of Korean sheet mask would have heard about this. And I actually really liked their, I think, brightening one, and that one just really does brighten your skin and preps my skin for makeup the next day. So I like to put this on at night and just let the essence and the lotion soak in overnight. Really like this. This is really moisturizing, and it also does kind of balance out your skin tone, calms it down. It has so much essence in it. It's like dripping. This is one of my favorite sheet mask brand. They also have different versions of it. I think they have a green one, they have a black one, they have a pink one with all different kinds of effects and purposes for them. If you're looking for a honey sheet mask, I highly recommend this. Alright, the last product is kind of like a very basic product, and I just love this brand in general. This is Burt's Bees Body Lotion with Milk and Honey for normal to dry skin. This body lotion saved my skin for many winters, and it smells so good. Burt's Bees is a very great kind of natural drugstore priced brand that really has a lot of great skincare that works. So I like their rescue cream, I like their lip balms, I like this one, and when I was younger I used to use their face creams and other stuff as well. So this lotion is on the thicker side of lotions. This is definitely not the first bottle that I have, and I just really like their moisturizing effects. It really does feel like your skin is moisturized, because I think a lot of body lotions that I have tried doesn't really moisturize. It covers your skin and it prevents your skin's moisture from evaporating, but it doesn't add on to your skin's moisture. This really does seep in and your skin really does take it well, and it doesn't feel sticky, it absorbs really fast. And so I highly recommend this, especially if you have quite sensitive skin but you want something that has a nice fragrance, as opposed to other very basic dermatology recommended lotions. And those are great too, but I just really like the fragrance in this. So those are my honey products. These are the products that out of all my other honey products I would highly recommend to people who haven't tried them out. The other products are kind of like But let me know what other ingredients you want me to do a video on. I really do like kind of herbally and natural ingredients put into skincare. So if you guys have any ideas and any suggestions for me, please leave them in the comment below. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye. Resistem.